Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that affects every earning Indian, yet very few truly understand income tax. Let me ask you a simple question. Can we earn money without understanding how it is taxed? Trust me. Many people do exactly that. Some believe income tax is only for business owners, professionals, or people with very high incomes. But that is a myth. Whether you are a professional, a business owner, a freelancer, or a student preparing for future career, understanding the basics of income tax is no longer optional. It is essential life skill. Good news is that India's taxation system has changed. Now it is more digital, more transparent, more taxpayer friendly, and it is aligned with international standard. You can see nowadays income tax filing is easier. Many services are online, and you see income tax process has have become more simpler than ever before. Yet one problem still remains there. Many people don't know basic income tax concepts. Some people don't know whether they should file income tax return or not. Others assume if TDS has been deducted from their salary, their responsibility is over. Some people they don't know there is a difference between income and taxable income. So today, let me share with you five simple things that every Indian should know. First, every rupee you earn is not taxable. There is a difference between total income and taxable income. The law provides exemptions, deductions, and reliefs that may reduce the amount of your income on which tax is calculated. And filing an income tax return and paying tax are not same thing. Sometimes you don't pay any tax, but still filing your income tax return is beneficial. It may help you to claim refunds, obtain visas, apply for loans, or maintain good financial records. Third, income is not just a salary. There are many sources of income like business, professional services, rent, bank interest. So, you know, there are different type of rules for each type of incomes. So, understanding the source of your income is most important. Fourth, keep your financial records organized. Salary slips, bank statements, tax documents are not just papers. They are your financial identity. Finally, fifth is don't hand over your financial knowledge to someone else's hand entirely. Taking advice from tax professional is a smart decision, but getting knowledge about basics of income tax is your responsibility. When you understand well basics of income tax, you can ask better questions. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.